Looking for the perfect water adventure companion that blends stability, fun, and performance? This top 5 best paddleboard delivers build quality, excellent balance, and all-around versatility for beginners and pros, making every lake, river, or ocean session smooth, safe, and unforgettable. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. Niphean Paddle Board. The Niphean Paddle Board stands out as a premium inflatable SUP designed with quality, stability, and versatility in mind, making it an excellent choice for adults of all skill levels. Measuring 10 feet 6 inches by 33 inches by 6 inches and weighing only 19 pounds, this board offers an impressive balance between portability and strength with a high weight capacity of up to 450 pounds. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the wide deck provides excellent stability, even for beginners or users bringing along pets. Every detail of the Niphean inflatable paddleboard reflects careful craftsmanship, from its robust materials to its thoughtful design. One of its biggest advantages is the complete accessory package included right out of the box. Users receive an adjustable paddle, detachable fins, safety leash, pump, backpack, waterproof phone bag, and repair kit, allowing them to hit the water immediately without additional purchases. The 111 reinforced D-rings add impressive functionality, enabling kayak seat installation, securing coolers, or linking with other SUPs. Comfort is another strong point, thanks to the anti-slip EVA deck that delivers excellent traction and foot comfort during long paddling sessions. Whether used on lakes, rivers, or ocean waves, this board adapts well to activities like yoga, fishing, touring, or casual cruising. Portability is also well addressed, as the board deflates easily, rolls up compactly, and features multiple handles for convenient lifting and transport. Overall, the Niphean paddleboard delivers reliability, convenience, and performance, making it a well-rounded inflatable SUP for recreational and adventure-focused paddlers alike. Number 2. The Roc Paddle Board. The Roc Paddle Board is designed to deliver stability, durability, and convenience, making it a popular choice among beginners and experienced paddlers alike. Featuring a wide 33-inch deck paired with a non-slip premium EVA pad, this board provides excellent balance and confidence on the water. With a weight capacity of up to 350 pounds, it comfortably supports solo riders, families, or extra gear, making it suitable for cruising, fishing, touring, and fitness activities. Roc's military-grade PVC construction combined with advanced drop stitch technology results in a board that is significantly stronger than standard inflatable SUPs, offering long-term durability across lakes, rivers, and ocean environments. One of the biggest advantages of the Roc paddleboard is its all-inclusive adventure package. It comes equipped with an adjustable aluminum paddle, high-pressure pump, removable fins, safety leash, and a premium travel backpack, allowing users to start paddling immediately. The board inflates in under 10 minutes and packs down compactly, making transportation and storage hassle-free. Despite its lightweight and portable design, the board maintains impressive rigidity once inflated, ensuring a smooth and stable ride. Another standout feature is Roc's customer support and warranty. As an American-based company, Roc offers a generous 3-year warranty and responsive customer service, adding peace of mind to the purchase. Overall, the Roc paddleboard combines thoughtful design, robust materials, and user-friendly features into a reliable inflatable SUP that performs well in a wide range of water conditions and paddling styles. Number 3. Roc Violent Paddleboard. The Roc Violent Paddleboard blends eye-catching style with serious performance, making it an appealing option for paddlers who want both aesthetics and reliability. Built using high-grade materials that are up to 50% stronger than many competing boards, this inflatable SUP is engineered for durability and long-term use.
Its robust construction ensures consistent performance whether you're paddling on calm lakes, slow-moving rivers, or coastal waters. With an industry-leading weight capacity of 350 pounds, the Roc Violet paddleboard offers excellent safety and stability, accommodating riders of different sizes along with additional gear. The extra-wide design plays a major role in its all-around versatility, providing superior balance that benefits beginners while still delivering a smooth ride for experienced users. This wide platform makes it ideal for a variety of activities, including casual cruising, fitness paddling, fishing, or simply relaxing on the water. Roc also includes a set of premium accessories that surpass what many other board packs offer, ensuring users have everything they need to get started without extra expenses. The board's inflatable design allows for easy setup and compact storage, making it convenient for travel and transport. Its solid feel, once inflated, inspires confidence and enhances overall paddling control. As one of the top-rated paddleboards sold worldwide, the Roc Violet paddleboard reflects the brand's commitment to safety, quality, and customer satisfaction. For anyone seeking a dependable, stylish, and well-rounded inflatable SUP, this model delivers strong performance and excellent value.
Number 4. HUIIKE Paddle Board. The HUIIKE Paddle Board is a versatile and feature-rich inflatable SUP that stands out for its complete accessory bundle and innovative 2-in-1 design. Part of the Enjoyer Full Pack collection, this board includes everything needed for a full paddling experience, from the inflatable board itself to a backpack, pump, leash, fins, kayak seat, footrest, dry bag, and phone accessories. This comprehensive setup eliminates the need for additional purchases and makes it ideal for beginners and families. One of the most impressive aspects of the HUIIKE paddleboard is its ability to convert easily from a stand-up paddleboard into an inflatable kayak. With the included kayak seat and footrest, users can enjoy extended paddling sessions in a seated position, adding comfort and flexibility. Constructed with military-grade PVC and a double sidewall layer, the board is built for strength and durability, offering excellent air retention and resistance to wear. Its wide shape and EVA rubber deck provide enhanced stability and grip, reducing the risk of slipping and making it suitable for paddlers of all experience levels. Designed for freshwater environments such as lakes, rivers, and reservoirs, the board can support up to 2 people, making it perfect for shared adventures. The unique serial number adds a touch of authenticity and quality assurance. Overall, the HUIIKE paddleboard delivers outstanding value, comfort, and adaptability for recreational paddlers seeking a complete, all-in-one solution.
Number 5. iTAOSTAR Paddleboard. The iTAOSTAR paddleboard is built for paddlers who want maximum balance, versatility, and adventure-ready features in one comprehensive package. Measuring 12 feet long and 35 inches wide, this board offers exceptional stability and a high weight capacity of up to 450 pounds, making it suitable for solo paddling, family outings, or bringing along pets. Its wide design ensures confidence on the water, even for beginners. One of the standout features of the iTAOSTAR board is its unique 5-fin system, which includes 3 central fins and 2 side fins. This setup enhances balance and adaptability across different water conditions while eliminating concerns about fin loss. The board also converts seamlessly into a kayak with the included inflatable seat and foam footrest, allowing for comfortable seated paddling during longer adventures. For action lovers, the built-in camera mount enables users to capture every moment on the water. The accessory package is exceptionally generous, including an adjustable paddle with kayak kit, multiple fins, dual-action pump, dry bags, waist bag, cup holder, flag, whistle, and a spacious 120L backpack. The upgraded 4th-gen dual-rib paddle ensures powerful, wobble-free strokes, while the large backpack offers smart storage for all gear. Like the video, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon.